welcome to Mai's Moment, and I'm excited today to share with you how I create this look by Detail. And I was inspired by Nikkietutorials. I saw this pictures on Pinterest, which is absolutely amazing. I don't have all the colors she has, so I have to use what I have at home, which you should too, instead of just go out there and buy exactly colors that I have. Try to figure out what colors that you can mix and match. So let's get started.
First, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and if you want to learn how I create these eyebrows, make sure to check on my other videos that I posted. It's all about eyebrows, and I will put a link into it so you can follow up, but we're gonna skip that part for this video.
I really want to try this product right here. It is 39L Hit the Light by Morphe, and ooh, it's really pretty. Ooh, holographic? Yes. And let's enjoy the colors. Ooh.
I'm going to use the palette called 39L Hit the Light Artistry palette from Morphe, and I'm going to pick up the color Hook Up with the brushes M456. I'm going to create an outline, just blend it in how I'm doing it right now. Build the colors gradually. Don't pick up too much colors and try to blend as much as possible, and focus more on the colors at the outer of your eyes and the inner corners of your eyes.
And it's all about blending, you guys. So go back and forth. A little bit dark in here. I'm going to clean my brush, and I'm going to blend it out, feathering it out with the lighter colors. I don't want no kind of hard edge. It's just everything blending out, everything going to blend perfect.
The next color that I'm going to select is called Lift It Up, and it's going to target in the middle of my lid, and I'm just going to blend it back and forth.
And what I love about this is that you can clean your brushes and take out the makeup, the color that previously you collected, and it's going to clean off so you can have a fresh start. And I'm taking on top of here. So you can see the little bit golden on this area. Okay, don't touch this spot with the golden because we want this color to stay there.
Next is going to be a cut crease. I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot.
And the brushes I'm using is going to be a smudger from Morphe. And this is a small smudger, and it's a perfect shape of ground, as you can see here, to cut crease, which I've been using for a very long time. So I'm going to start here.
If you are doing this at first time, just making sure that you are patient, keep practicing, making a little stroke, and then gradually make an outline, then shade it in. The next colors I'm going to use is called Hollow Effect, and I'm going to apply that on the middle of my lid, and I'm just going to use a patting motions to apply more colors on top of what I previously put on.
And by the way, this is M124 if you guys are wondering what kind of brushes I'm using. Using the same brush, I'm just basically cleaning it, and we are going in with the Lush Balm. This color right here, we are going in with Lush Balm. Ooh, let's see how this is going to turn out. It could be amazing and horrible at the same time. Ooh, I packed it on too much, but let's see how it's going to turn out. Wish me luck, you guys. Oh, Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. So for this you have to work it carefully, and I can see that it stayed really well. There's no fall out. Cross my fingers. So I'm just gonna pack it toward the middle. We are not going anywhere else. We are packing it just carefully. Packed it more and more. You see the reflection? Oh, it is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that.
The next color I'm picking up is from Marc Jacob Beauty Eye-Conic Mutil-Finish Eyeshadows palette. And it's a great palette which is very great textures and colors, and I'm going to blend it from the outer corner of my eyes and also the inner corners of my eyes.
Just stay in that region, and I'm gonna put some right here, and I'm just shading it in. Oh, this is really pretty.
I want to darken the outer corner, so I'm applying the colors called Obsessive on top of the blue.
I want to put the glitter on top of here again. I really like the glitter.
To make the corner of my eye pop, I'm using Nikkietutorials Trio Highlight, and the color is Space Baby, and I'm just going to highlight at that region.
You see that? Oh my goodness. That is really cool.
I'm using a fluffy brush to blend out any harsh edges. Then I'm going back with the colors called Obsessive to colors at the bottom of my eyelashes. To highlight my brown bones, I'm using Nikkietutorials Trio Highlighters, and the color is called Glated Donut, and I'm using my finger to soften up the look. And for liquid eyeliner, today I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero, and this eyeliner is the bomb. It's so pretty and it's super easy to draw. I mean, you have to be extremely careful because once you draw on it, you cannot take it out. Before I'm going to put on false eyelashes, it's important for me to curl my eyelashes and use eyelashes glue to apply on those false and poppy eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using Tarte mascara, and it's called Mean Eaters. And this is great mascara. Make sure to use the end of the tube to help you do your lower lashes so you will not make any mistake.
And I'm going to work on my other eyes.
Before foundation, we are applying Smashbox Minimize Pores, and this is a photo finish, so it's a really good product to apply before we hang those foundations. And for foundation, I'm using Misha, and this is number 27. It's a BB cream. This is a great foundation that I will recommend to anybody who have pimple or acne because it does help to cover blemishes and all those imperfections.
I used this since I was in high school, and during that time I do have pimple, but every time I use this I have really good experience when taking their pictures.
For highlight, I'm using Tarte Shape tape, and this color is light neutral. Just copy the area that where I apply and using a Morphe beauty blenders and to blend it out. This is such a great beauty blender that I actually enjoy, and I would not buy any other different kind. To set our face and make it last longer, I'm using Airspun. This is a translucent powder, so you're gonna apply at the area where you just highlighted, so those colors can stay in place all day. The technique to take off glitters on the area that you don't like, just go ahead and use Scotch tape and use the sticky side to take it off.
So now I'm going to use a bigger brush to brush all the excess out. And now I'm going to contour my face with Hoola Beauty.
If you want to know how I contour my face, there is a video that dedicates to it, so you can check it out. But for now, we are going to speed through this process.
So I'm using a blushes. This is called Flirt. And I'm going to use a Morphe. This is an ankle contour, but we're going to use blushes. And I'm going to have right here.
Highlighter, I'm using Nikkietutorials Trio highlighters, and this color is Glated Donut, and there's a video that I dedicated for highlighter, bronzing, and blushes, so go ahead and check it out. For lip liner, I'm using Milani lip liners, and this color is beautiful. It's number 3, and the part that I just think is annoying is actually you have to sharpen it, and if they have a twist that would be great, but apparently they don't, so I just gotta use what I have, but it's a really nice color. I want my lip to be shiny, so I'm using Fenty Beauty, and the color is Fussy, and it's a really great product.
I know that whenever you wear like lip gloss, it does not stay for a long time, but for this side, it's easy to put in your purse whenever you go to the club.
To complete this look, I'm using Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, and it smells just like coconut.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I really had fun with this, trying out this new palette that I have not tried for a while now. And make sure to click that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to help my channel grow. And also, make sure to ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.